here at the BMW dealership, man. At the service department, but damn, there's a lot of people out there and shit. We're finna find out, see where we park at. We parked up, but damn, bro, that lot was full. The parking garage over there, we're finna go check out a little bit. And bro, check this out. The line starts from here and it still keeps going all the fuck back there, bro. Damn. Sheesh. This whole street finna be blocked off. We got the 400Zs outside. You know, 370, 400, 400, 400. And then we got the Audi back there. Oh, bro, it's gonna be a good turnout right here, no kid. But we're gonna check out some cars right here rolling in. Que pegar, que show. See what we see. And then we'll make our way over there right now a little bit. Crazy for that shit. God damn. Oh, hell nah, bro. That's crazy. Bro, we got some clean ass BMWs outside, bro. Trajeron la sucia, mira nomás. Bro, the color of this thing is fucking clean, man. Woo. Damn, bro. Está otro. Mira, qué chula. Oh, bro. So I'm gonna have to get me a BMW for ASAP. ASAP. These things are mad clean, bro. Mírate nomás. Oh, tío. No, con ese no juega uno. Fuck no. Got the Evo outside, the CW. Damn, this thing keeps going with the frick. Damn. Sheesh. Yeah, está todo tumbado también. Sheesh. Yeah, we got another AMG. Ooh, right there. Bro, I be seeing this one. This one is clean as fuck for the interior too. Oh. Can't wait to go up there though, man. Up in that garage. You know we finna see some good shit in there. But we'll keep posted right here for a little bit, and we'll move in over there and shit. Trying to see what's coming in. The Mark 5. Pero ahí era para encontrar parking allá. Dude, they got the Rari outside, all white. But can't go white with white, bro. Can't go wrong with white, my bad. Gee, haven't seen one of these in a minute, bro. And it sounds good as fuck. Can't go wrong with that. Then we got some other guys over here too. They're just, oh my god, we didn't need to fix the brakes, bro. But anyway, got the Q50. We got the Q50 like I was saying. And we got this beast right here. Mira nomás. Oh, su madre, con cuidado. This is clean. I like it. I like it. Get out there. Damn, bro. I want to see that. This was a wild, bro. People that have that kind of stance is crazy, bro. Give them props, eh? Oh, we got the Lambo outside, too. Allá lo pararon al compa. Prius outside también. You know, damn, this one doesn't look bad at all, bro. Damn, look at the wing. What the fuck? That wing is crazy. That shit's sick, though. Damn. Mira nomás que chula que entró. Damn. Pretty clean. Mark 5 right there with another one right here. Some of these don't look bad, I'm gonna be honest. Damn. Okay. Oh, look at that one right there. Ah, su madre. Oh, they got the R8 outside too, right? Damn. It looks good. It looks good and sounds good. Whoa. Rari outside. I mean the Rari, the R8. Fuck, my bad. Had something else on mind. Dude, these bands right here always look clean as fuck, bro. I like these bands, bro. No cap. Damn, the other BMW right there. Ah, su madre, no. Que belleza. I got 300Z outside también. Dude, this is getting packed. Like, dude, AZ Track Stars meets always get packed, bro. 370 away. Whoa, always get packed, bro. This food's meets are where you got to go when you come over here to Arizona, bro. When you're outside, that's the only meet you should go to. Yeah. That greenish color, or I don't know what color that's called, but that shit looks mean as fuck. That one, with the C6 in between. Alright, let's see what they got in there, bro. They just opened that shit. That's just playing. Damn, bro, they got some good shit in here. Woo. Bruh. Oh shit. Damn, bruh. They put the good shit inside. What up, man? How you doing?
Chilling, chilling.
Yeah, bro. The STO like mad clean right here. What the fuck? Mad black. Ooh, the RA goes. Damn, bro, on the bag. Oh. Damn, bro. The white goes clean with the RS. The carbon. Fuck. I've never seen the inside of these. GT3. Damn, bro. Puro Porsche on the left. Y on the right, some Porsche. Y otros a la verga. Damn, bro. Dude, we still gotta hit the parking garage too. Whoa. Bro, they got some good shit in here, bro. Bro, the Mark IV, the RX-7, the Mark V, another RX-7. Hey, how you doing? The RX-7 there, the R33 too. Oh, dude. Damn. This shit was low-key worth it, bro. The R8 over here. No, hombre, vamos a ir a ver qué más. Oh, this blue, bruh. Fuck. Bro, if I paint the Z, this is the color that's gonna be right here. Oh, dude. This color, oh my god, dude. This shit is clean as fuck on his NSX, dog. Damn. Dude, I gotta some a monster right now, fool. Bro, we're finna check up there, bro, inside the garage. Fuck, let's see what it's about. Fuck. Bro, rooftop with a clean ass sunset, bro. A su madre, got compa Stack Productions right here. Damn, bro. Shit's packed. Oh, there's that NASCAR from last time. Damn, bro. This is the Euro world right here. Damn, bro. We parked somewhere out there. Food. That's crazy, bro. How many people are still coming through? We're somewhere down there, bro. Bro, they got the F-150 right here with turbine keys, bro. It's just crazy. Man. This setup is crazy. Not bad, bro. Fuck, for F-150. No. Carbon doors, a la vera, carbon rear bumper, a la madre. Sounds clean as fuck, looks clean as fuck. Can't go wrong with R35. Oh no. Mira, atrás le sacaron el bochito. Oh shit. The bochito looking sick, yo. That's sick as fuck. Sheesh. Trae su little rack. A la madre. What the fuck? That is sick. Damn, bro. Clean Evo right here. I like these. I don't know what these Evos. I forgot what Evo this is. With Jan y no sé qué número, but that is clean as fuck. This color is bad as fuck. The camera don't do justice, bro. The camera don't do justice that much, but it's clean. The BBS's, oh, bro. Bro, the one thing I like about BMW is they come with the fucking bucket seats with already carbon fiber. Dog, no. BMW knows what they're doing with their cars, bro. That's all I gotta say, bro. Bro, this one looks sick up close, dog. Dude, is this like a small little car, dude? What the fuck? It's like some little niñito car right there. Man, they got a Nismo right there. Mira nomás. Compa. Bro, that shit's clean, eh? Dude, there was a McLaren I missed. Fuck. Y la línea todavía sigue, bro. What the fuck? That's crazy. Bro, that shit look clean as fuck. Bro, and then the amount of Porsche that are out here is crazy too, bro. There's a good amount of Porsche. Damn, bro. Mira esa chulada también. Allá va otra. That front end right there looks sick as fuck on these trucks. Oh. Me van las bicis. Ah, su madre, que no falta el último. Yo, I didn't know that SVD Performance does Vs, ATS Vs. What the fuck? Wow, that's crazy. I saw the decals, like, that's crazy. And they got a weld in the back, so it must mean business. It must mean some sort of business. Dude, a la bestia, bro. C7s are always gonna have a place in my heart, bro. Fuck yeah, always, bro. Oh, that shit's clean. Sounds beautiful too. We got the other Lambo. Y que no falte el otro Lambo. Damn. That one you can barely see, but that's just sick. Wait, look, there's the homie. The Z getting some love over there. The Z getting some love. As he should, you know what I'm saying? Ya tú sabes. Ooh, that shit clean right there. Good dog, come on. heading out. Damn. That GTR sounds wild, no cap. Acá le va a caer el compa right here. Oh shit. Got that BMW with a fast tire. Full. That's crazy. Damn. Sheesh. The RX-7. Mark 4 heading out with the Mark 5. Damn. Okay. Pulled up, what the fuck? That's crazy. Ah, yo. That's crazy. On the 350Z. Oh, there's some clean builds pulling in and out. There's still some of them coming in too. 392. God, hell. Damn, bro, crazy. Damn, the GTI. Okay.
Out here, yeah, I never come this far.
Oh, that's just clean. There goes the Evo. Whoa. C5 coming in too. Type R heading out. What? Like, you don't really see that color. That's just sick. Damn, there's more 400 heading out. Damn. Dude, the all black was hard. Big body band. Oh, this color goes hard with the BBS chrome wheels. Fuck. Bro, I didn't even know that we could come inside the BMW dealership, bro. Damn, they got some clean ass colors, bro. I'm more into the colors. That's where I got the blue from, bro. Yeah, I either got the blue from this color. I think it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. But I think it was the other one too, because the other one has the same blue. But this one seems a little bit lighter. This one seems a little bit more darker. Like, I fuck with this color. Dude, the tail lights, bro. The detail on the taillights is crazy. Yeah, this shit's clean. Damn. This one too. I like the M2s too. They're bad as fuck. This color's clean. ¿Cuánto quieren por ella? A ver. Bestia. Damn. Bro, on this M5 right here, bro, the carbon fiber accents goes crazy, and the details, bro, I didn't know they did that shit. That's crazy. And then the seats on the lights too, bro, and a carbon roof. Oh no, bro. Carbon spoil, little wing. Damn, bro. Oh, look at the tail lights. That shit looks mean as fuck. And the side skirts, yo, that's crazy. But the fact that it's a hybrid is crazy. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the meat there so far. I mean, it's dying down slowly, so probably just gonna head out. Probably gonna go grub, get some food. Haven't ate all day, only in the morning. That's it. But yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Hop in the Z and time to head out. Real. Damn. But yeah, definitely a meet that was worth going to. This food's meats always get packed, bro. Stupid packed. But yeah, I'm gonna just go eat and that's it. So hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Hope y'all can support. Give it a like if you don't mind. Subscribe as well. Cause I will be trying to come out to most of these meets as much as I can, especially ones that are worth it, because some are not, you know. But yeah, so anyways, I'll catch y'all later, bro. From BMW headquarters, man, we out, bro.